BabyFirst. Click the subscribe button below.
Tell me, can you see an owl?
I can see 3.
Tell me where you see these owls.
Up in the tree.
Climb up and take your spot. Time to learn your words.
With who?
Hoot, scoot, and what?
Time to learn new words.
With who?
Hoot, scoot, and what?
Hoot, scoot, and what?
Scooty, scoot.
What are you up to, little owls? And where's Hoot? Ah, I see. You're playing hide and seek.
Hoot. What? Hoot, hoot. Hoot, hoot. Ooh. Hoot. Hoot, hoot. Oh.
Playing hide and seek was so much fun. You funny owls. Now it's time to learn something. I wonder what you learned today.
Oh. Hoot? Scoot? What?
What is it? It is round and it is red. Let's play a guessing game. So, what is it? Scoot guessed first.
Scooty, scoot, toot.
Is it a red ball? No, it's not a ball. This is something you can eat.
What?
What guessed next? Is it a lollipop? No, it's not a lollipop. This food is much softer than a lollipop. Hoot guessed last.
Tomato?
Yes, it is a tomato. Nice guess, Hoot. A tomato is a kind of food, like bread, cheese, and grapes.
Food.
Tomatoes grow on a vine
Vine.
or on the ground.
Ground.
Do you think a tomato is a fruit or a vegetable?
Scoot.
A tomato is considered a fruit and a vegetable. When a tomato is still growing, it is green.
Green.
And when it's ready to eat, it turns red.
Red.
A tomato is juicy.
Juicy.
And can be made into tomato sauce for spaghetti or pizza or ketchup.
Ketchup. Huh?
The inside is squishy
Squishy.
and really yummy.
Yum. 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 Yum.
Do you know what did the slow tomato say to the fast tomato? I'll catch up with you later. It looks like you owls need to catch up on your playtime.
Hoot, hoot, hoot. Hoot, hoot, hoot.
Wow, tomatoes are pretty great. Aren't they, Hoot, Scoot, and what?
Hoot, hoot, yeah. Hoot, hoot, yeah. Hoot, hoot, yeah.
It's been wonderful learning about tomatoes together. I wonder what we'll learn next time.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Toddlers app for the complete learning experience. Numbers, letters, colors, and more. Dozens of games, videos, and activities are all waiting for your little one to learn and enjoy. First, the complete learning experience. Search for BF100 on the app stores.
Download first.
Time to wake up, baby owls. Wake up, Hoot.
Hooty hoot.
Wake up, Scoot.
Scooty scoot.
Wake up, what? Little owls love to learn new things. I wonder what you will learn today.
Hoot? Scoot? What?
What is it? It moves on top of a track, and it makes a choo-choo sound.
Hoot!
Let's guess what it is in a guessing game. What is it? Scoot guessed first.
Scooty scoot?
Is it a big metal snake? No, it's not a big metal snake. It moves on wheels, and it doesn't slither. What? Guess next.
What?
Is it a truck? No, trucks drive on roads, not on tracks. Who guessed last?
Train? Hoot hoot hooray! Hoot hoot hooray!
Yes, it is a train. Nice guess, Hoot. A train moves on tracks.
Tracks?
A train is a way to travel from one place to another.
Travel.
And a train makes this sound.
Shoo-hoo!
Can you kids at home sound like a train?
Choo-choo! Choo-choo!
A train can go really fast.
Fast!
A train carries people
People!
and can also carry things. A train conductor helps people in trains and says, "All aboard," when the train is ready to go.
All aboard! Choo-choo!
And do you know what's nice about riding a train? Very relaxing, so the passengers can go to sleep.
Scooty scoot!
Just like little what?
Choo-choo! Choo-choo!
Wow, trains are super, aren't they, Hoot, Scoot, and what?
Scoot, scoot, yeah! Scoot, scoot, yeah!
It's been wonderful learning about trains together. I wonder what we'll learn next time.
Hoot, Scoot, and what?
The kids on the bus all learn with first. Learn with first. First.
First, your your child's app for the complete learning experience. Numbers, letters, colors, and more. Dozens of games, videos, and activities are all waiting for your little one to learn and enjoy. First, the complete learning experience. Search for BF100 on the app stores.
Download first.
Hey, what? What are you up to today, little owl? Ah, nice. You're practicing your flying. Good luck. Don't worry. You'll get it soon, what? Be careful, what? You're falling. A trampoline. Good idea. Nice catch, Hoot and Scoot.
Hoot? Scoot? What?
What is it? It looks like a box, and it is big. Let's guess what it is in a guessing game. So, what is it? Scoot guessed first.
Scootle, Scoot.
Is it a present? Nope, it's not a present. A present has a big bow on it. What guessed next?
Waddle what?
Is it the top of a pencil? No, it's not the top of the pencil. The top of a pencil is much smaller. Hoot guessed last.
Ooh. House? Huh?
Yes, it is a house. Nice guess, Hoot. A house is where we live.
Live.
A house has a door.
Door. Oh.
And a window.
Window.
A house also has a roof. Inside of a house, there are rooms where you can sleep, eat, and play.
Rooms.
Do you have rooms in your house too, little owls? Let's look around. You're funny, owls. And you, kids at home, what's your favorite room in your house? A house can be big
Big.
or small.
Small. Oh.
And a house is where a family feels safe. Wow, houses are pretty nice, aren't they, Hoot, Scoot, and what?
Hoot, hoot, yeah.
It's been wonderful learning about houses together. I wonder what we'll learn next time. You go, what? I knew you could do it, what? Bye, little owls.
Hoot, bye.
Hoot's good and wise. Hoot's good and wise.
The kids on the bus all learn with first. Learn with first. First, first, first.
First, your your child's app for the complete learning experience. Numbers, letters, colors, and more. Dozens of games, videos, and activities are all waiting for your little one to learn and enjoy. First, the complete learning experience. Search for BF100 on the app stores.
Download first. Hoot, scoot, what?
Tell me, can you see an owl?
I can see 3
Tell me where you see these owls.
up in the tree.
Climb up and take your spot. Time to learn your words.
With who?
Hoot, scoot, and what?
Time to learn new words.
With who?
Hoot, scoot, and what?
Hoot, scoot, and what?
Scooty, scoot. Hoot.
What are you up to, little owls? And where's Hoot? Ah, I see. You're playing hide and seek.
Hoot. What? Hoot, hoot. Hoot, hoot. Ooh. Hoot.
Now it's time to learn something. Playing hide and seek was so much fun. You funny owls. I wonder what you learned today.
Hoot? Scoot? What?
What is it? It is curvy and it is yellow. Let's play a guessing game. So, what is it? Scoot guessed first.
Scooty, scoot, toot.
Is it a yellow hot dog? It's not a yellow hot dog. It's curvy. What guessed next?
What? Huh?
Is it a crescent moon? No, it's not the moon. It grows on trees. Who guessed last?
Banana?
Yes, it is a banana. Nice guess, Hoot. A banana is a fruit, like apples, oranges, and strawberries.
Fruit.
Bananas grow in bunches
Bunches.
in trees.
Trees.
Kids at home, what else can be found in a tree?
Scoot.
Little owls, for one thing. When the bananas are still growing, they are green.
Green.
But when they are ready to eat, they turn yellow.
Yellow.
The yellow outside is called a peel.
Peel.
You have to take off the peel to eat what is inside. The inside is white
White. Huh?
and a little mushy,
Mushy.
but really yummy.
Yum. 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 Yum.
And when someone is really silly, they're sometimes called a silly banana. Hoot, Scoot, and what? You are being silly bananas.
Hoot, hoot, hoot. Hoot, hoot, hoot.
Wow, bananas are pretty neat. Aren't they, Hoot, Scoot, and what?
Hoot, hoot, yeah. Hoot, hoot, yeah.
It's been wonderful learning about bananas together. I wonder what we'll learn next time.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Hoot's good and wise.
The kids on the bus all learn with first. Learn with first. First.
First, your child's app for the complete learning experience. Numbers, letters, colors, and more. Dozens of games, videos, and activities are all waiting for your little one to learn and enjoy. First, the complete learning experience. Search for BF100 on the app stores.
Download first.
Hey, what? What are you up to today, little owl? Ah, nice. You're practicing your flying. Good luck. Don't worry, you'll get it soon, what?
What?
Be careful, what? You're falling. A trampoline. Good idea.
Oh.
Nice catch, Hoot and Scoot.
Hoot? Scoot? What?
What is it? It is a circle, and it has numbers on it. Let's guess what it is in a guessing game. So, what is it? Scoot guessed first.
Scoodle, Scoot.
Is it a pie? No, it's not a pie. This isn't something you can eat. What? Guess next.
Waddle what?
Is it the moon? No, this is not the moon. This is something you can hang up on a wall, and it can tell you the time. Hoot guessed last.
Ooh. Clock? Huh?
Yes, it is a clock. Nice guess, Hoot. A clock helps us know what time it is.
Time.
A clock can be really big,
Big. Oh.
or really small.
Small.
And clocks can come in different styles and shapes.
Shapes.
Some clocks even look silly.
Silly.
Do you know how to be silly, little owls?
Oh.
Let's look around. You're funny, owls. And you kids at home, do you know the sound that some clocks make? A clock keeps track of hours
Hours.
and minutes.
Minutes. Oh.
And a clock helps you wake up in the morning so you can be with the ones you love. Wow, clocks are pretty special, aren't they, Hoot, Scoot, and what?
Hoot, hoot, yeah.
It's been wonderful learning about clocks together. I wonder what we'll learn next time. You go, what? I knew you could do it, what? Bye, little owls.
Hoot, bye.
Bye-bye.
Hoot's good and wise. Hoot's good and wise.
The kids on the bus all learn with first. Learn with first. First, first, first.
First, your child's app for the complete learning experience. Numbers, letters, colors, and more. Dozens of games, videos, and activities are all waiting for your little one to learn and enjoy. First, the complete learning experience. Search for BF100 on the app stores.
Download first.
Time to wake up, baby owls. Wake up, Hoot.
Hooty, hoot.
Wake up, Scoot.
Scooty, scoot.
Wake up, what?
What? Oh. Hoo, hoo. Whoa.
Little owls love to learn new things. I wonder what you will learn today.
Oh. 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 Oot? Scoot? What?
What is it? Let's see. It is wiggly and green, and it hisses with a little red tongue.
Woo-hoo!
Let's guess what it is in a guessing game. What is it? Scoot guessed first.
Scooty, scoot?
Is it a worm? No, worms are smaller and pinker. What guessed second?
What?
Is it spaghetti? No, it's not spaghetti. It's a living animal. See? It moves. Hoot guessed last.
Snake? Hoot, hoot, hooray! Hoot, hoot, hooray!
Yes, it is a snake. Good guess, Hoot. A snake is an animal.
Animal?
A snake is long.
Long.
A snake has no arms and no legs. It moves on the ground by slithering.
Slither.
Can you kids at home slither like a snake?
Woo, hoot.
A snake can climb.
Climb.
And it can swim.
Swim.
A snake has a little tongue that goes out of his mouth. It makes a sound like this. Kids at home, can you sound like a snake? And what's one thing that a snake loves to do? Lie on a warm rock and nap.
Scooty, scoot.
Just like little what? Wow, snakes are amazing. Aren't they, Hoot, Scoot, and what?
Scoot, scoot, yeah! Scoot, scoot, yeah!
It's been wonderful learning about snakes together. I wonder what we'll learn next time.
Hoot, scoot, and what?
BabyFirst. Click the subscribe button below.